welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and as you guys know, I've been buying some crates from Loot Fright, which is part of the Loot Crate. I'm like, why do I have an itchy nose? I don't even freaking know. But I've been buying these, and another crate arrived. So, well, a box. Another box arrived from Loot Crate. So I brought one in December, and that was supposed to be December's one. Then I paid for one in like February, that was meant to be February's one. Then I've got a May and an April. So this must be May's one? Maybe? I don't know. Didn't I already do May's or did I do March's? They arrive really late. Loot Crate is really freaking slow. And with COVID, it hasn't helped at all. So I do have one more box arriving. I don't know what month this is meant to be. So whatever month it is going to be, that's what it's going to be in the title. And I'll work it out. But for now, I don't actually know what month it's going to be. I don't know what's in here. Ooh. I don't know what's in here, but I'm excited. I'm like, oh, geez. Something's fallen out already. Okay, so we have the Elder Sign Omens. This is part of the Elder Scrolls? I know, it's a nice little thing. I'm like, Elder Sign. What is Elder Sign? I'm going to research what Elder Sign is. This is Loot Fright. This is supposed to be all things horror. This is what this thing is. It retails for, I think it's like $54.99 for a box. $54.99 US dollars. I'm just going to research now. Loot Fright. Loot Fright is $28.95 US dollars. And then, sorry, it's about 54 New Zealand dollars. And we are just going to research what Elder Sign is. Elder Sign is a cooperative card and dice game based on the Cthulhu mythos of horror writer H.P. Lovecraft and Kao Kizim's Call of Cthulhu, I can't say that name, role-playing game. So it is based on horror, H.P. Lovecraft, sorry. And I don't know who that was. You guys schooled me last time and said H.P. Lovecraft, and I was like, well, I knew who it was, but I didn't realize, I didn't put all the things together. I know he's incredibly amazing. Okay. Oh! So what have we got in here? I'm opening it. I feel like I really need to like brush up on my horror because I'm more of like a classic slasher horror, and I feel like now I'm like, what horror is what? But I didn't even know Elder Signs, and I'm like, I should have known that. But we've got the first item here, which is a Beetlejuice juice glass. I'm excited to see what this is. It's really cute. Loot Fright branding. It also says the year on it as well if you watch and look at it. This one doesn't say what year it was manufactured for. Just kidding. But most of them do say the year. Like this one here says it's for 2020 Loot Crate. So you know that it was made specifically for this Loot Crate. So it's all like Loot Crate exclusive items. You can't buy these items, you know. So I think that's what I really like. That's what I think is super exciting. Alright, so let's open this up and see what it looks like. Oh my god, I'm so excited because I love Beetlejuice. Oh my god. That's so cool. Can you guys see that? It's the little cucaracha. Oh my god, that's so freaking cute. I love that. And it says Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice at the bottom. That is really cool. That is really cute. I like that. I like that. That's really cool. That was well worth the $30 already. Just that. Alright, now we've got a shirt. Ooh. What the hell? This is a creepy freaking shirt. Twin Peaks. Okay, Twin Peaks. 30-year anniversary. Why have I not, like, I need to jog my own memory. Holy shit. Okay, look. Terrifying. Also, another Beetlejuice item, so I'm pretty freaking excited. Maybe this is like, I don't know, what's Twin Peaks? I've heard of Twin Peaks. I'm gonna feel like an absolute dummy when I, like, see what this is. Twin Peaks, what is that? A crime drama mixed with healthy doses of surreal. This series is about FBI agent Dale Cooper who travels to a small logging town of Twin Peaks to solve the murder of seemingly innocent high schooler Laura Palmer. Almost nothing is as it seems. However, in the show's sometimes eerie visuals, oddball characters and wild dream sequences drive the point home. And the first date was 8th of April 1990. Twin Peaks. I have not watched it, but I feel like I need to. This shirt is absolutely terrifying. I also get them in extra large, they're nice and baggy, but that shirt is freaking scary. It's really scary. I'm like, I'm gonna wear that and have nightmares. But yeah, it's a really nice shirt. Like the quality of the shirt feels really nice. It's nice and big. I feel like they're getting bigger and bigger, or I know I'm not getting smaller, but that is the shirt there. It's really cool that it's a 30-year anniversary thing. So if you're an old school horror person, this box is for you. The old school horror. That's how it is. Alright, so we've got a little card here. Does the card say what month this was. No, it doesn't. What is this? Because this is actually so creepy. The Exorcist. Of course I'm freaked out. I cannot stand The Exorcist. The Exorcism movie, The Exorcism Evelyn Lowe's, like the faces give me nightmares. And now I literally have a face of it. I'm trying to downplay how freaking freaked out I am. What the hell is this? What is it? I'm like, it's not a fucking thing to put on my own face, is it? Like, what is it? Oh, no. Oh my god. No. No, this is my nightmare. This is my freaking nightmare. Oh my gosh, guys, now it's freaking your nightmare. Oh my god, I can't freaking deal right now with this. When I'm editing this, I'm gonna shit my pants. I know it. This is the worst thing I've ever received. I hate this. I hate this. That was scary enough, and then I get this. It's a sleeping mask. It's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant, but this is terrifying. I love that. I'm loving this box so far. This is terrifying. I hate this. I hate this so much, but I love this so much. You know, I've got chills. I got chills opening this. It's comfortable as well. It's hella comfortable. Alright, so now we've got a Starcase Snake bobblehead. What the frick is it gonna look like? Oh my god, I'm excited. I'm just tearing it open. I don't even care. Oh, why is everything so creepy? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's this creepy face. Oh my god, I hate this. This is freaking cool as. Holy heck. Okay, maybe feeling like I should sign up to Loot Crate again because this is actually really cool. The last two boxes I've had have been really kind of very average boxes, but this is nightmare fuel. Look at that. Look at this. Actual freaking nightmares. Like, how creepy. I'm like, that's so cool. Going down the stairs, the eye slits. Does it do anything else? No. No, but that is so cool. Okay, so you got, in this item, we got the face mask, which I don't even want to look at myself. It's so creepy. It's so creepy. Then we've got the amazing Twin Peaks 30th anniversary t-shirt. I wish I knew more about this because then I'd be more of an avid fan, but the t-shirt itself is so creepy and I love how that's creepy. Then also this pin, which I'm not super frothing about, but it's cute. It's cute. And then this glass is literally so amazing. This is literally so amazing. As much as I fucking hate this, it's amazing too. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you enjoyed. I'm actually really excited to open the next Loot Crate box because this one was freaking amazing. And I'm just like, what's the next one gonna hold? Because I'm like, yes, I'm finally getting scared. The last two, I was kind of like, meh, this is average. This one, I'm actually like excited to get the next one. So I'm excited to get the next one. If the next one's good, maybe I'll get some more. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But until next time, I love you guys so much and I'll see you on the next one.